Hello and welcome, guys. So the news is correct. Facebook is planning on getting a Facebook unified chat system, which is combining the WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat, and Instagram. So that would allow WhatsApp users to talk to Instagram users and Facebook users without needing accounts on each platform. Well, at times, we get scared when these kind of things happen. But at this point, the CEO of Facebook, Mr. Mark, he basically informed us that there is no such plan in place until 2020. So they still need to plan the underlying details as to how they will going to go about merging the three platforms into one platform. But at least we know that something is coming up in near future. But Facebook at one point in time was considering removing end-to-end encryption. And WhatsApp will start showing ads. Facebook will decide what exactly they will do in this regard. On the other hand, WhatsApp and Messenger each have more than 1 billion active users, including many iPhone owners. So merging the backends of these services may make sense for Facebook and could help it turn more people into loyal moneymakers for the company. And we've seen a lot of companies did something very similar to this in the past. For example, Oracle purchased Sun Microsystem with the same idea of getting a hold of computer hardware and an operating system and an underlying language such as Java. So these kind of moves are made by companies. Instead of reinventing the wheel, they work with the existing infrastructure and try to leverage it. So we'll see what exactly happens, and users will have some time to decide which direction they want to go.